Okay, we're back, and here we are calculating, well, I guess here we're working on Business 253, and this is Lab 1.5, and it's question number 2, and we are supposed to identify whether the account is an asset, a liability, or an equity account, and drag and drop the accounts under the correct heading. And so we can also use the drop-down menu in each box to choose the right accounts. So start with cash. Cash is an asset account. Office salaries expense is essentially an equity account because it's a reduction in retained earnings. Equipment is an asset account. Advertising expense is an equity account. Accounts payable is a liability. Share capital is an equity account. Commissions earned is revenue, so therefore it's also an increase in retained earnings, as is rent earned. Dividends are paid out of retained earnings, so that's an equity account as well. Supplies, we're going to assume it's supplies inventory. If it said supplies expense, it would be an equity account. Property taxes payable, whenever you see the term payable, you should recognize that that's a liability. Rent expense, the term expense refers to the fact that it's an equity account. It's a reduction in retained earnings. It's income. And retained earnings, of course, is equity. Consulting revenue is another revenue amount. And so that's also part of equity. And interest payable is another liability. So if we put them all in there, I don't think it matters which one or where exactly we put them, but we'll see what Lyrics thought. Oh, Lyrics agreed. We put them all in the right place, so we are done.